Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to show you a fun, casual fall table setting here in my breakfast room. I'm going to be using autumn leaves, pumpkins, and acorns. So let's look around the table. The placemats I'm using today have autumn harvest fruits and vegetables on them. They also have vintage seed packets. I'm using ceramic plates. These are olive green. They've got little fall foliage and acorns on them. I believe they're Better Homes and Garden. For the salad plate, I'm actually using, this is really not a salad plate. This is a decorative, I suppose it's a wall piece, but it has the little three-dimensional pumpkins and the cornucopia scene on it. And we don't eat in the breakfast room, so I was free to use them the way I wanted. So I've just used those, and they're purely decorative purposes. But I like the colors and I like the scenes that they have. I'm using a rust color mug, a tall mug here at the back. I think I picked those up at Goodwill. And then I've got a cute little pumpkin mug that I picked up at Walmart. I'm using my wood-handled flatware, and I have these cute little scarecrow flatware holders, and you just tuck the flatware in. This one's the little girl scarecrow, and then I have boy scarecrows. And I've doubled up my napkins. I've got an olive green, and I've mixed an autumn plaid, and then I have the little napkin rings that have the little small pumpkins on them. Kind of makes me think of the candy corn pumpkins. For the centerpiece today, I have a cornucopia. It's a brown, kind of a basket type, and I've put fall foliage in it. I've got autumn fruits, the gourds, little pumpkins, there's berries, and in the top of it I've perched a little turkey. Now I have used a terracotta cake stand as a platform just to give it a little more height. Underneath I've got some acorn bowls, and I also have some fall leaves, green and gold. Here's another little scarecrow flatware holder. I believe I picked the leaves and the acorns up at Walmart. They are Better Homes and Gardens. Here I've got a candy jar. It's a pumpkin. It too is the Better Homes and Gardens. Here I have a cornucopia little teapot. I think I picked it up at Kirkland's years ago. I've got a little crate of pumpkins. This was a gift that someone gave me. And here at the back corner, I've got an acorn, a little cookie jar. On the pedestal there, I've put another pumpkin terrine. I believe I ordered that years ago from a mail order company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.